Draw kids. Who do I have with me today?
Nevada.
How old are you?
6.
6 years old. Today we are drawing Mario. But if you'd like to draw something else, let me know. Put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe while you're there. What do they need?
Something to, a paper,
Uh-huh.
something to draw with, and something to color with.
That's right. Now, we're going to draw this, and if you get a little bit behind, don't be afraid to pause so you can catch up. Let's do it. All right. Okay, so what we're doing is start on the middle of the paper. We're going to start a little bit below center, and we're going to do a perfect circle right in the middle, the best you can.
So this is going to be his
That's
eye.
his nose. So from there, on the above side, let's do like an egg shape, like this. One egg shape. And then inside of that, do another egg shape about halfway. Perfect. And inside of that, one more egg shape.
Color this
Yeah, let's color it in.
like that. So
That looks perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good, you left a little white spot there. Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Let's do the other side. So we do an egg shape.
right there.
No, it's okay. It's perfect. Let's do another egg shape. Looks good. And one more egg shape. Awesome. And color it
He
in.
looks weird.
He doesn't look weird. He looks awesome. Okay, so from here, on the sides of the nose, we're just going to do a little, tiny little curve up. One on each side.
It looks like he's going to be a kitty.
Make sure that's connected. That's part of his mustache.
It looks like
Okay, so
whiskers.
starting from the middle of the bottom, we're going to do 3 humps to the end. So go 1, 2, 3, and then 3 that way. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, so that's his mustache. Your guy's got a big old mustache, but it looks awesome. Underneath here, we're going to do a mouth. With the mouth, you just do a little U, and then close it off like that. Perfect. Now underneath the mouth, we're going to do the bottom of his lip, so you just do a nice little, another little U. Good. Now under that, we're going to do a really wide U, like that. Wow! That looks awesome. So next, this part of his chin is going to make his cheeks, and we're going to go all the way up like that. So do his cheeks like that, all the way just above the mustache. Cool. Okay, next we're going to do his ears. So above, right about here, like above where his eyeball is, just do like a backwards C. It looks like an ear. Good. We gotta make sure it's connecting to his cheek, so his ear's not just flying out there. And then do another ear on the other side. Is that funny? Do one on this side like that. Perfect. Okay, so next to his eyes, we're gonna just do sideburns. So we'll do like a straight line down. And straight line up.
Oops.
Oops! That's okay, fix it. You could go that way and then back it up. Looks good.
Wait.
You got one on each side. You're ahead of me. Let me catch up. Alright, so from the top of the ear to the top of the other ear, we're going to do it. Actually, let's do the eyebrows next. So the eyebrows is just like a little curve and a little curve. Nice. And one on over the other eye. Curve and curve.
Which
Good.
one looks better?
They both look the same. They look awesome. Okay, from the top of the ear to the top of the ear on the other side, we're doing a curve. Curve.
Yeah?
Gotta go all the way over the top. Yep. And above that, do another curve about the same size.
Right here?
Like that. Just a little curve. Awesome. Now, in the middle of his hat, what goes there?
The circle.
A circle. So right in the middle, we do a circle. Cool. And what's inside his circle?
An M.
An M. So
Well,
draw a really wide M like this. and then make it into a block letter like that. Good, you're good at block letters. All right, the last part that we have to do.
I'm good at block numbers.
You're good at block numbers too. All right, the next part we're gonna do is we're gonna do the top of the hat. So it's gonna start a little bit outside, like over here by his ear, and it's gonna curve over the top.
Here?
The thing about it, it's gonna be wider at the top, and then it's gonna taper down towards his ear.
Here?
So yep, start right there, and go up and over, and then down. Awesome! So that's Mario. His looks a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. We're allowed to look a little bit different. The best part about it is that what?
To have fun.
That's right, have fun. And if you're having fun, then it's all good. So what we're gonna do next is color.
Color.
You can follow along with us.
Color.
If you wanna pause to match the colors like we have, then that's great, and we'll see you on the other side.
Done.
Done. What about his nose?
I know, I'm going to
Awesome. Good job, buddy. Did you have fun? High five. Good job. Was that fun?
Yeah.
What do you guys want to draw? If you want to draw something different, leave it in the comments below. And what else do they do while they're there?
Hit subscribe and draw more with us.
That's right. Bye.
Bye.